Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So today we are starting a new and exciting topic called computer networks. Computer networks. So by the end of this video, you will understand what is a computer network, why do we use networks, what are LAN, MAN and WAN, what is network topology, what are network criteria. So let's begin. So first let's see what is a computer network. Computer network. So, in simple words, suppose you have two computers. One computer has, so let me draw the computer. So, this is your computer 1 and this is your computer 2. So, this first computer has a movie. Suppose the movie be Oppenheimer. I'm not sure about the spelling. And this second computer wants the same movie. Suppose this movie also want Oppenheimer. So, how can be this movie can share to this computer? The answer is by connecting the computers. When two or more devices are connected to share information, data or resources, we call it a network, computer network. A computer network is simply a group of connected devices that can communicate with each other. Devices in a network may include computers, laptops, smartphones, servers, printers, routers, etc., etc., and more. So, for example, suppose your home has a laptop. Suppose your home has laptop, a mobile, a smart TV, and all devices connected to the same Wi-Fi. Together, they form a small computer network. So, let us see the definition of computer networks. A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate and share resources with each other. So this is our basic definition of a computer networks. So let us see uses of computer networks. Uses of computer networks. So for example, now let us understand why networks are important. So networks are important because so these are the some of the uses of computer networks. So let us discuss one by one. Resource sharing. Many computers can use the same printer. This saves money. Example, a school may have one printer used by many devices, many computers. So the second use is file sharing. Files can be sent from one computer to another. For example, sharing notes with friend, like important notes. Your friend needs one important notes of any any subject. So use file sharing. So for communication, networks helps people to communicate. Example, emails, video calls, online meetings, messaging apps. So internet access. Networks allow devices to connect to the internet. Example, your phone and laptop both use the same Wi-Fi connections. That's the one of the example of internet access. Online learning. So students can attend classes from anywhere. Example, watching educational videos on YouTube. So these are the some uses of computer networks. So now let us see the types of computer networks. So networks are classified based upon their sizes. So there are mainly three types of computer networks. One is LAN, and second one is MAN MAN, and third one is WAN WAN. So let us understand each one. So LAN stands for local area network. LAN stands for local area network. For MAN, M stands for metropolitan area network, and WAN stands for wide area network. So let us see one by one. So first see LAN, local area network. Local area network. So it covers a small area. LAN covers a small area. Example like your home, your school or office, computer labs. So the main characteristics of LAN is it covers small area. It has high speed with low cost. It is easy to manage. For example, all computers in a school lab connected together form a LAN. Remember, small area. Small area means it is equal to LAN. So this is a shortcut to remember. Now let us see about MAN. As I mentioned earlier, MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It covers a city or a town. So MAN covers a city or a town. The characteristics are larger than LAN and smaller than WAN. WAN, wide area network. Larger than the local area network and smaller than the wide area network. Connects with multiple LANs. For example, several colleges, campuses across a city connected together. So in shortcut, we can remember city level. Let me write in white. Let me write in white color. The city level equal to man. So now let us see about WAN, wide area network. So it covers a very large areas. It can connect cities, states, countries, and even continents. Characteristics are very large coverage, connects many LANs and MANs, can be slower than LAN. For example, the internet. The internet is the world's largest one. This is the very important. It can be asked in your exams. So the internet is the world's largest wide area network. So in shortcut, we can remember that worldwide equal to WAN, wide area network. So these are the types of computer networks. So now let us see network topology. So topology means arrangement of devices in a network. It tells us how computers are connected. Think of it as a roadmap showing how devices communicate. Common topologies are, so let me move to the next page. So now let us see the common topologies. So there are bus topology, star topology, ring topology, and mesh topology. So these are the some topologies: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, and mesh topology. So let us see one by one. So let us see first about bus topology. Bus topology. So all computers connected to a single cable. So all computers connected to a single cable. Single cable. Though it is the, so these all computers are connected to the same cable. So the advantages of bus topology is it is easy to install, it is low of cost, but the main disadvantage is if one cable is disconnected, the network stops working. So it is a huge disadvantage. If one cables get erupted, entire computer network will be disturbed. So now let us see about star topology. So all devices connected to a central device called a switch or hub. So the diagrammatic representation. So it is a switch. It is connected to a switch or hub. So the computers are, these are our computers and these are connected to a switch or a hub. So this is the diagrammatic representation of star topology. All devices connected to a central device called, as I mentioned, as a switch or hub. So the advantages are it is easy to manage, easy to find problems, most commonly used in today. But the disadvantage is if the switch, the central device, if it gonna fail, the communication stops. So this is a disadvantages of star topology. So now let us see ring topology. So computers are connected in a circular shape, as in the word ring means circular. So the computers are connected in circular shape. Data moves around the ring. So the computers or the diagrammatic the diagrammatic representation of ring, it will look like this. So this is the ring topology. The advantage of the ring topology is it is organized the communication. And a disadvantage of topology is one failure may affect the entire network. If one system fails, it may affect the entire network. So let us see now mesh topology. Every device is connected to many other devices. Suppose one device is connected to many other devices. Suppose is this this device is connect this, let me name it A, B, C. So this A device is connected to C and at a time with B, and it is at a time connected with D also, and this B is connected with E, and at a time it is connected with F. So this is the example of mesh topology. The advantages are the mesh topology is very reliable, multiple connection paths, but the main disadvantage with mesh topology is it is costly and it looks complex. So now we have covered the all topology types: bus topology, star topology, and ring topology, and mesh topology. So now let us see network criteria. Network criteria. A good network should satisfy three important criteria. Number one is performance, number two, reliability, and number three is security. So let us see the first one, performance. Performance means speed. How fast is data is transferred? How quickly does the network respond? Higher speed means better performance. Now the second one is readability. Readability means dependability. A readable network should work properly most of the time. Less failure means highly readability. The third one is security. Security means protection. The network should protect data from hackers, unauthorized users, data thefts. Strong passwords and encryption improves security. So this is the basic introduction of computer networks. I hope I covered everything. We have covered computer networks and uses of computer networks, types of computer networks, network topology, and we have covered many types of topology: star, ring, mesh, and network criteria. Hope this video is helpful for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my videos, like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.